Maybe happy is the wrong word, but back then I felt normal. I was doing a pallet's work, carrying, storing goods, day in, day out. Until that fateful day that changed my whole purpose. It started so harmless. I got inspected and measured for carrying challenging goods. So I thought. This pain, this agonizing pain. I couldn't understand why this was happening to me. What did I do wrong? By the time he started sanding my rough edges, I got new hope. Maybe I won't end up in a fire pit after all. Maybe he just wants to pimp my planks. Boy, did I get confused when he was assembling me all wrong. How could I possibly transport goods like this? But that was never his intention. He attached me to the wall in an upright position. Placing bottles on my planks. I'm not a shelf, it's not my purpose, but I never got a choice. I learned to accept my fate. This is who I am now. And this is my place now. It can be loud and noisy. Can be smelly. What's with them and cheese? I don't get around as much anymore either, being attached to a wall and all. But it is warm and I have company. You should hear some of the stories they tell in here, like when those two guys got caught in a thunderstorm with hail and everything while climbing a multi-pitch, or that other time after a party they went swimming naked in the local river in the middle of the town. I mean, anything could have happened there, isn't that crazy? Or you know that one time when also at a party they were all in the kitchen and then somebody switched off the light and you know what happened? I mean